on the trauma twice. Yeah. Ran off on the trauma twice. Yeah. Get too close, I'm running for my life. Yeah. Flashing out, feel like I'm about to die. Yeah.
Got trauma? Well, you can join the Trauma Track Stars.
No need to be nervous. Think of anxiety as your starting blocks.
And a panic attack as a gun.
Now are you ready? Don't stop when you are tired, injured, or dead. I am all of those things and I still be zooming. Smoke where my feet once were.
You worried about the pain? Sis, shin splints ain't nothing compared to depression.
Once it wrote me a poem, and I made that shit about sunflowers.
My ex is a runner too. She catching up to my ass.
The first time I ran, I felt safe enough to stop trembling. The harder I breathe, the easier it is to tolerate breathing. I feel like I need it.
Living is easier when you never stop long enough to die.
If that nigga Trauma's chasing me, I will jump the fence, cross the street, catch an Uber.
All we do is run.
I want to run right now.
I will laugh at anything, even the shit I tried to kill myself over.
I run because the coping mechanisms ain't looking too good right now, and I ain't got nobody to bail me out of this sickness. It's just me and my own 2 feet.
I run because I don't want my truth to always be my trauma.
I run to save you the effort of trying to be empathetic, trying to be a support system.
Knowing damn well you ain't no self-care coach.
We never run out of distractions. Our metaphors be lit, so indirect you forget what the poem is even about.
Mom, I have learned to write so well, I forget how to tell the truth.
We have to keep up.
I run through the crack in my side. I do not complain about a broken rib.
Everything about this sport triggers me. The gun, the searching for validation, wearing my depression and my eating disorder under my jersey.
Running is an ancestral curse that don't let me catch my fucking breath.
I get really tired, dripping in sweat.
He means tears.
I mean sweat. I mean, it's still really hard to know what I mean.
He means anxiety.
I mean, this crap is killing me.
He means he's lonely.
I mean, my legs are sore, locking up. They want so bad to stop running to get water. But we run anyway. At least we're good at something.
Whoops. That was way too deep.
I switch lanes a lot, trying to find what parts of myself are most appealing. What trigger is pretty enough for a poem.
I jump hurdles, leap over the biggest details. Forrest Gump ain't got shit on these metaphors.
Even when there ain't no race, there never was one.
Your trauma's still behind me, begging me to slow down. He says he just wants me to talk. He can't force me to listen. He just wants to be acknowledged.
But I am a team player. Carried this shit to the finish line. So at least they ain't gotta know we hurt.
But this is our secret. We've been training for this day.
But we can cross the finish line and say we made it. Say we grown and healed.
And
And all this trauma pretty because the crowd is finally clapping for us. We earned this title, our place on the podium. At least we can call ourselves stars. We take our trauma
He means
to
truth.
the grave, leaving nothing but pretty poems behind me.
We always
end up back online. And here we are, our dues being paid in tears.
I hope you can't outrun us.
You think you can beat us?
We'll see about that.